Mohan, please unmute yourself.
Hi, sir. So will I go on site this year, sir? So how much favorable this one going to be for this year? Since I'm trying from last year, last 1.5 year.
Okay, on-site opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Give me a random number, not a favorite number, random number between 1 and 249.
28, sir.
28. Be blessed. On-site opportunity is seen. You have to go abroad means it has to be from the 12th Bhava study. 12th Bhava starts in Aries at 426.45. Sublord is Moon. Moon is in Saturn's star in the 10th house. Sir, this year, so the problem here, sir, it's not possible for you, sir. Saturn, the star of Rahu. It's okay, it will give you, but not this year, sir. Ketu in Rahu star, Mercury in Venus star. If it is possible, you can go abroad for a very short period.
You mean to say this year, sir, or?
If you go this year, it will be for a very short period. You will go, but it's a very small opportunity. This year is little difficult. 12th house of Lord Moon in the star of Saturn in the 10th Bhava. Moon in the 9th Bhava. Possible. But
Okay.
Saturn in 10 denies the 11th. Fulfillment will not be there if you go this year.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. If you go, it will be for a very short period. Mercury,
Okay.
Ketu, after 14th of July 2025, if you go, you will permanently settle abroad.
Oh, after 2025. Okay.
14th July 2025.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Thanks, sir.
All the best. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.